Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the haunted maze in 99 Nights in the Forest game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. You need to be on day 3. So you need to survive until day 3, and then on day 3, the carnival booth will appear, and then you can play the carnival game here. And after you complete the game, you will get the carnival ticket, and you can use the carnival ticket to unlock the haunted maze. And better if you work with your friend so you can get the tickets easily. And if I'm not mistaken, we need to collect 3 tickets from this carnival game. Okay, and now 2 per 3 tickets have been collected. And after that, after we can collect all the tickets, we can unlock the haunted maze. And okay guys, all the tickets have been collected, and then we can enter the maze, and you can survive in the maze. And in the maze guys, you will be able to find candies. Wait, I'm going to look for the candies. And okay, it's right here. I'm going to open the chest, and we will get candies for free. Okay, just collect the candy. Okay guys, and that's how we can find the haunted maze in 99 Nights in the Forest game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.